If you follow these few tips when planting tomatoes, you can expect healthy and large fruits and lots of tomatoes. It often happens that we bring tomato seedlings to plants, but the plants seem to wither. If your tomato seedlings are in poor condition before planting, here's what you should do. Soak the tomato root in water before planting. The root supplies the plant with water and hydrates it. A trick for gardeners is to add a spoonful of sugar to that water. The plants will quickly revive and be ready for planting. Another important tip when planting tomatoes is to plant them deep. Dig a hole about 25 to 30 centimeters deep so that 2/3 of the tomato plant is underground. Tomato roots grow on the stem wherever it is in contact with the ground. It means that the more tomato stalks in the ground, the bigger the root of the plant will be. Organic fertilizer can be added to the pit before planting tomatoes. But there is something else very important. Add a spoonful of this powder to each hole, which is very important for tomatoes. Wood ash or bone meal in the planting hole of tomato plants can provide essential nutrients and minerals that are beneficial for their growth and fruit production. Wood ash contains potassium and calcium carbonate, which can help regulate soil acidity and provide essential minerals to tomato plants. Potassium is crucial for fruit development and overall plant health. Bone meal is a natural fertilizer made from finely ground animal bones. It is rich in phosphorus, which promotes root development and enhances flowering and fruiting in plants. Phosphorus is essential for energy transfer within the plant and plays a vital role in fruit formation and ripening. A common problem encountered by many who grow tomatoes is rotting at the bottom of the fruit before the tomatoes begin to ripen. It looks as if the development of some diseases has begun, but what is happening is caused by a lack of calcium. It is possible that the pH value of the soil is too low, and the tomatoes cannot absorb calcium. Drought and improper watering can also contribute to calcium deficiency, so it must be supplemented. For me, the best way is naturally with the use of bone meal or wood ash. As for watering tomatoes, it is known that tomato plants do not like to get wet on the leaves and stems. In addition, if we water on the surface of the earth, a hard crust is created on the earth, which must be broken. For watering deeply planted tomatoes, I use the following technique. Bury a plastic pot or old plastic bottle with holes in the ground so that it is as close as possible to the roots of the tomato plant. Pour water into it, and the water goes exactly where it should. Thus, the roots in the depth get enough water, while the tomato plants and the soil on the surface remain dry. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. You click the following button, then on the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.